Alright, what's going on everybody? So I was just searching the Uber newsroom and I came across this thing that Uber is telling passengers to do. I thought it was pretty insane. So I'm gonna get into that, but before I get started, give the video a big thumbs up if you drive for Uber or for Lyft or for any rideshare platforms. Smash the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Okay, so yeah, this is the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Hello, nice to meet you. I know my hair looks like it. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it. Anyways, back to the topic of the video. So I was searching up Uber Newsroom and I was like, oh, Uber News came out with this thing. Safe behavior, no matter how you ride. Written by Kristen Smith, Safety Product Marketing Manager at Uber. So I was like, okay, let's see what Uber has to say about safety, right? They said, thanks to technology, traveling around cities is now easier, more affordable, and more accessible for all. People increasingly have more options to choose when going from point A to point B. So basically, she's just describing what Uber does. And basically, I'm gonna get into it, but Uber is telling passengers how the proper way to, basically how to increase safety while they ride. And I thought, well, okay, as a driver and a passenger, maybe it's pretty interesting to read. So, yeah, let's get into the article. As a daily bike commute, by the way, this is at Uber Newsroom. Uber posts these little updates. I like to look at this every single day just to see if they do have any updates. You know, if they're updating anything, I mean, really quickly, I can just show you guys. If you go to Uber Newsroom, it has all of the stuff. Like this is the Uber quiet mode, launching Uber movement. That's the safe behavior. Oh, what was this last one I was gonna do? Yeah, and then you can go here. What was this one? Yeah, safety. Oh, I'm gonna get into that one soon. But yeah, anyways, that's that video. But yeah, so they go into here. They say Dutch reach for riders and drivers. Today we are rolling out education on the Dutch Reach to encourage drivers across the United States and Canada to look over their shoulder before exiting the vehicle to reduce the risk of dooring somebody riding a bike or scooter. I guess there's a problem with people opening their doors and hitting pedestrians or hitting people on scooters, rideshare scooters and bikes. I guess the Dutch Reach, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this, but literally Uber's like, all right, let's increase safety. This is what we're gonna do. This is the video. I can't play the music. There's music, and I think for copyright reasons, I'll probably get. So this is what they do. This is the Dutch Reach. It's not the latest dance move. The Dutch Reach can be a safer way to open a car door. Adopting this method can help keep people on bikes safer. Step 1, with the opposite hand, reach towards the door. So you take your right hand if you're on the left side of in the back seat. Twist your body towards the window. Okay, now what? Step 3, look over your shoulder for bikes or scooters. So you look over your shoulder as you get out. Step 4, when clear, open the door slowly and exit. And that way you don't hit anybody. Maybe the Dutch Reach can be the latest dance move. Reach, twist, look, open. Literally, they're like dancing. Like, in the midst of everything going on with Uber, I just think it's funny. Uber's like, all right, here's our huge new plan. I know everybody's like mad at us right now, but this is what we're gonna do to save the world. We're gonna introduce the Dutch Reach to our passengers. So I don't know, this is more of like a funny video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys use the Dutch Reach? I've honestly never heard of that. Maybe I should. I'm gonna try it out, the Dutch Reach, see if it actually does work. So I guess you just open and then you look behind you. Yeah, I guess now I just open and swing the door open. Oh, I think I do look, actually. Maybe I have been doing the Dutch Reach. Anyways, let me know if you've heard of the Dutch Reach. Are you gonna tell your passengers, hey, do the Dutch Reach while you get out to watch out for bikers? Thank you all for watching. You guys are the best. I will talk to y'all soon. All right, later guys.